twinkle to shine through and lead me to you. Then you appeared as if by magic.